called Vienna's Beauty. And today, guess what we're going to be doing in the form of exercise? Yes, it's been a while we've not had the Zumba dance. So today we're going to be shaking up our bodies. I hope you all enjoy my Zumba dance because this one is a short. I will not be having up to 10 minutes today. The dance is just about 4 minutes something. So guys, I hope you put on your dancing shoes because we gotta shake that excess fat away. Who is ready? Come on, put on your shoes. Let's go. Let's move it into the Zumba dance, you all. shower. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Oh my god, I love you so much. And the person I was following was Kataryzyna Sinoche. I don't really know her name, but I will leave her link in the description so you can go find her and subscribe to her channel. Guys, I love you so much. I'm gonna see you in my next workout. I don't know if it's gonna be a Zumba dance, but we'll watch out for that, okay? Bye bye.